Today, I'll show you how to pay yourself in an LLC partnership, step by step, the correct and legal way. Method 1, Owner's Draw. In an LLC partnership, partners do not get a salary. Instead, you pay yourself using an owner's draw. You simply transfer money from the business account to your personal account. This is not a business expense and does not reduce taxable income. Method 2, Guaranteed Payments. If partners want regular payments, use guaranteed payments. These are fixed payments made to partners for services or capital. They are considered a business expense and are taxed as personal income. This method is common when one partner works more than the others. Method 3, Profit Distributions. At the end of a period, profits are split based on the operating agreement. Distributions are paid to each other according to ownership percentage. Even if you don't withdraw your money, you are still taxed on your share. Important tax rules. Partners receive a Schedule K-1, not a W-2. You pay self-employment tax and income tax on profits. Always keep personal and business accounts separate. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.